Hello and welcome. My name is Rashi Mogha and I'm your host for this Empowered Women of the Word podcast. This podcast is for you, it is for me, and it is for all women who want to take charge of their career and happiness. In this weekly podcast, we talk about technology, we talk about leadership, and we talk about mindfulness. We talk about how you can discover, visualize, and actualize your success, whatever that means to you. We also talk about our common opponent, the conscious and unconscious bias, which we deal with on a daily basis. And we share ways to navigate work politics. At the end of each podcast, I share with you a tip or a resource that you can use to be successful. It's going to be a fun ride, so hop on and join me on this journey every week. Now, I was at a house party yesterday and we were talking about the leadership affirmation Alexa skills and my session on conversational AI at Women Transforming Technology conference. And then one of my friends who is in tech sales actually mentioned to me that the whole concept of AI or artificial intelligence and machine learning was really confusing for her and she often used them interchangeably. So today's podcast is an attempt to clear the confusion between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, artificial intelligence is an overarching discipline that covers anything related to making machines smart. So whether it's a robot or a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, or a smart refrigerator or a smart car or a software application, if you are making them smart, then it is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can also be loosely defined as a way to incorporate human intelligence into machines. Now, whenever a machine completes tasks based on a set of algorithms or rules to solve a problem, such an intelligent behavior is called artificial intelligence. Machine learning is commonly used alongside AI or artificial intelligence, but they're not the same thing. Now, machine learning is a subset of AI. Machine learning refers to the systems that can learn by themselves. Machine learning actually uses algorithms to use the data, learn from that data, and then predict the future trends based on that data and the information. Now, a good example of machine learning is LinkedIn. LinkedIn's machine learning algorithms gather behavioral data for every user on the social platform. And then based on one's past behavior, the algorithm actually predicts interests and recommends articles and notifications on your news feed. Another great example is when Netflix recommends a movie for you based on the movies that you have watched in the past. Now, machine learning systems get smarter and smarter over time without human intervention. And then there is deep learning. And deep learning is machine learning but applied to a large data set. And deep learning is essentially a subset of machine learning. So most AI work now actually involves machine learning because intelligent behavior requires considerable knowledge and learning is the easiest way to get that knowledge. So if systems learn over a period of time, that's a win-win situation because then they become more intelligent without human intervention. And today's free resource for you is a daily affirmation skill that's called leadership affirmations to help you understand how AI really works, and in particular Alexa. So say, Alexa, open leadership affirmations to get started. I'm also adding the link in the show notes below. So hope this session actually clarifies and provides you some insight on what is AI and what is machine learning and how they are interrelated. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for loving, liking, supporting, and sharing the podcast. Remember, sharing is caring. I love your feedback, emails, and messages, so please keep them coming. We now have audience spanning across 25 countries, and our tribe is growing. This is very, very exciting. I look forward to seeing you again in our next podcast. Till then, keep empowering the world.